Welcome back again, guys, to another Centerpoint construction video. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video with friends and family. In today's video, it's decking day. We'll be decking 2 levels of this building. So I hope you enjoy, and welcome to my dream home.
Huh?
Yeah, man, that one of the mason them that smooth out the cement. So when it's done, the floor looks smooth.
Yeah, man. So all it's done, just like a little bit of touch up, and then everything is well done. Look good and everything like that. You can see what I got. See?
I have to adjust the matter, and maybe we have to start go up on a 6-inch point for the decking instead of the 4-inch size. Because I know so then dress the floor when you have to put in the time, and I like how they pipe that barely I get cover, but we'll see when you finish how it look.
Just to see if it's where we're going. So, just make sure everything right, not bend or break or concrete kind of belly when you do that. So that's the reason why we need, like, we probably have to step up for 6-inch. That's what I'm saying.
Because if there's people walk on you and step on your bus, and then you have to dig up back the floor, figure fix the pipe and attach pipe. And I like no attach giant pipe, so I have to see. I'm gonna take you upstairs to the upper level now to see what's happening upstairs. Remember, we informed you that there's 2 levels that they're working on. So the piece that you just see just now, that was the lower level that they were working on. So we're doing 2 decking at the same time. So let's head on upstairs and see what's happening up there.
Well, we're upstairs now. You can, hear the wind and everything that, because we're actually up on the front like a peak. So all the wind from the sea is blowing over. So this is where we are upstairs now. You can see everything upstairs here. See all of that?
Well, they expect to finish this to the rest of section right there, so a steel out and everything. They have all of that to do today to finish off. So make sure so they finish it, but they'll finish it today. They're good like that, you know. Good mason and help and general labor up there doing their thing, you know. So right here where you're looking at still need to be finished today, but they're halfway done, as you can see.
Boy, windy up here now, so but this is where I save all of my money right now. So when it comes night, I just crack my window and see all that breeze that's coming in instead of using up the AC. Natural breeze that come off I see. You see what I say?
But that view, man, look at that ocean. Oh my gosh, that ocean view is amazing. The breeze up here is strong though still. If you don't mind, well, it knock you off the building. So I'm not going near the edge because breeze up here strong.
Don't worry about that one. I'm afraid you're afraid.
Afraid. You know how much feet you're up high? You at least 9, 10, at least 20 feet up off the ground.
You don't
Who
worry
wouldn't be
about
afraid?
feet.
You're mad, man.
Don't worry about feet, because country me born and grow.
Me not care. You alone drop out a breadfruit tree. Me didn't drop out a no breadfruit tree. It's okay. Me stay up on the ground and take a picture of the breadfruit down. Me not climb no tree. So then you have me up here 20 feet up off the ground. You mad?
Yeah.
20 feet or more up off the ground. And you tell me about afraid. Who wouldn't afraid? Yo, come on here, man. Me come up with a rooftop here. Let me go see what them do downstairs now, yeah? Oh, Lord. No. Hope you enjoy this video. Again, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit this red subscription button, share and comment, and tell us what you'd like to see more of so we can keep you entertained and informed.